Yeah, you. What? Thousands of movies for zeros of dollars?
Okay, perfect. This is awesome.
Meet Tubi, streaming's East Kid secret. I'd like to pick the easy way. Goodbye, monthly fees. Hello, Tubi.
It was a rough Thursday afternoon and evening across northeastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania, and those storm reports are still filling in as we wrap up Friday evening. So we'll wait and see if more surveys come in with more tornado reports across parts of western Pennsylvania, especially as they're still surveying. But these red dots indicating tornado sightings or reports, and there were multiple ones across Ohio and western Pennsylvania. Locally, we've had 2 confirmed as of this evening, and that's up into Trumbull County. So we'll have to wait and see if any more are reported or confirmed across western Pennsylvania. But these are in central Trumbull County, just north of Cortland, around the Mecca area. This tornado report coming in with wind up to 104 miles per hour. So this was an EF1 that moved in across Mosquito Lake, doing some damage around the Griffith and Edgewater Drive area, just on the east shore of Mosquito Lake. And then just a little further off to the east, another report of a tornado. This one not quite as big of wind with an 80 mile per hour confirmed report. That made it an EF0 around the Porter Drive region of Trumbull County. So some rough weather across our area with the severe weather that moved on through. It's long gone now, but leaving behind in its wake definitely some confirmed tornadoes across our region. We'll wait and see if more come in the coming days. Every Thursday, the drought monitor comes out across the country, and it's a good time to get a feel of what conditions are throughout the United States, including areas that are getting drier, or of course, adding moisture to help out as far as drought goes. As we take a look at the map here, you're going to see the middle of the country really featuring some of the biggest drought conditions throughout the country, and that's going to be the case from Nebraska to Kansas down into Oklahoma. Conditions are starting to improve off to the west, especially out around the California region, as a winter snowpack has really helped out as those storms continue to move in. In fact, a big part of California currently not under a drought. There's a moderate drought on the northern fringe of the state and also into the southeastern part of the state as you head toward Las Vegas in southern Nevada. But overall, conditions have been improved drastically compared to where they were last year with a
Pressure building in from the west. That is good news for tomorrow. This sets us up for a decent Thursday. Temperatures will be warmer. We're looking for a lot of sunshine. It is going to be one of the nicer days. Take advantage of it while we have it. It's not going to last for too long. In fact, the next storm system will come out of the south, something we'll be watching for tomorrow night. First, it sends some clouds. We'll start noticing those into the second half of our Thursday. The rain associated with this system, something that we'll begin watching for as we get to Thursday night. So walking through this on Future Tracker, you see the cold temperatures to start the day. Again, I think some rural spots may touch the upper 20s. So if you have plants that are waiting to go into the ground or out there in those greenhouses, make sure that you've done everything you need to take care of those tonight, as it will be a cold start. You won't have to worry about that tomorrow or the next couple of nights. We get up to about mid to upper 50s by noon. Still plenty of sunshine here into the afternoon, not showing a whole lot of clouds on here, but I do think we could start seeing our sun becoming a little filtered by high-level clouds starting to stream in. It won't stop our temperatures from getting up to the lower to mid-60s. Great afternoon ahead. It's going to feel a lot nicer, a lot warmer. Now, skies will become mainly cloudy the deeper we go into Thursday night, and we'll start looking for those showers approaching. This particular model showing those arriving as that morning drive is preparing to start up across the valley on Friday morning. I expect temperatures to be milder to start the day. This is showing around 50. I think we'll be about upper 40s to around 50. But what we'll be looking for is a period of some steadier rain building in, continuing through the morning where we could see pockets of moderate to heavy downpours. Temperatures for the afternoon try and go to about mid-50s. There's a chance for a rumble of thunder or two around the area through the second half of the day. And then into Friday night, we'll start seeing those showers becoming much more isolated, but we're not completely done with that risk for rain into the weekend, unfortunately. So how much rain are we talking? Well, we could see upwards of a half an inch to perhaps 3/4 of an inch if we find any thunderstorms. Locally, heavier amounts will be possible there. And then into Saturday, we start the day off still with that storm system close by where we could see a stray shower or two in the morning, a little break in the afternoon before more rain approaches into the evening. And then this pattern stays unsettled into Sunday and even Monday. Sunday, we'll have some showers trying to brush the area. I expect cold temperatures returning Sunday night and watching for some rain around Monday and Tuesday with highs only in the 40s there. So 30 degrees tonight. It will be clear and frosty. And for tomorrow morning, aside from the frost, there's no other concerns for the start of your day, albeit a little chilly. You may want to warm the car. The afternoon feeling a little nicer as we go up to 63 degrees. Clouds increase into the evening. And then for tomorrow night, we'll look for showers developing. Rain is likely Friday. Could be heavy at times with a few rumbles of thunder. Saturday, there's a chance in the morning and in the late evening for a few showers. We'll still be around 60 for highs both days this weekend before more cold moves in into early next week.
Where's the timpanist?
He's getting a haircut.
He's getting a haircut.
Not just any haircut.
Supercuts. They can be in and out in no time when I check in on the app.
So close to home here, this evening, just some clouds around. The temperatures keep sliding, only into the upper 40s tonight. But as we get into 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, from the southwest to the northeast, here's a look at 4 o'clock in the morning. Those showers will start lifting on in. It does look like a soggy start if you're heading out early tomorrow morning. 8, 9, 10 o'clock, rain likely. Embedded rumbles of thunder, a possibility. Temperatures not all that warm, in the middle 50s here by afternoon. And then later into the afternoon and evening, we'll catch a window of some drier weather that tries to build in ahead of the system through the evening. But an isolated shower or storm still possible to pop up. But overall, that steady rain will move out. And then tomorrow evening into tomorrow night, scattered showers or a thunderstorm will be possible overnight into the start of your Saturday morning, and a few of those showers try to linger early Saturday. Otherwise, just scattered clouds expected through the day. A little gusty, and that goes for tomorrow as well. So tomorrow and Saturday both featuring some gusty wind up to 25 to 30 miles per hour. 49 tonight, mostly cloudy, rain toward morning. Rain likely early tomorrow. Embedded thunder a possibility. Then going into the afternoon and evening, we'll catch a window of better weather, at least a break from that steadier rainfall with just a chance of a shower or storm into the evening. Heading into Saturday, that chance of showers early and then trying to dry out for several hours. But by Saturday night and Sunday, here comes the next chance for rain showers, and that will include your Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. Not a pretty forecast. In fact, it even gets colder, highs in the 40s right on through next Wednesday. Let's talk about it close to home. Again, this afternoon, all conditions are fine. Temperatures climbing out of the 50s into the lower 60s this afternoon. Now, there will be some clouds building in late day toward the evening. And then as we go deeper into tonight, those clouds start to thicken up. But it's going to be after midnight before we see any of those showers building in here, especially toward first thing tomorrow morning, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. And then as we go through the morning, a steady rainfall possibility, small chance for some embedded thunder through the morning hours. By the time we go into the afternoon, though, trying to catch a little bit of a break in this steady rainfall, becoming more scattered, but there is a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm through the afternoon into tomorrow evening. And of course, with the rain around, it'll keep those temperatures cooler. And then as going into tomorrow night and Saturday morning, still a small chance of showers trying to linger at least into the start of your Saturday, and then we catch a break, but gusty wind and temperatures in the 50s will stick around through the day. The next storm system moves in Saturday night and Sunday. This afternoon, great weather, mostly sunny, 63 is your high temperature. Tonight down to 49, mostly cloudy, rain developing toward the morning hours. I'm talking 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, becoming heavier, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, and then temperatures climbing into the upper 50s. The steady rain becomes more scattered through the afternoon with the chance of a thunderstorm into the evening. Here's your 7-day forecast, and I wish I had better news here. Temperatures get cooler again next week. Rain does return on Sunday, highs only in the upper 40s, Monday and Tuesday. Just a very stagnant weather pattern with that chance of showers each and every day through pretty much the end of next week.
YouTube is the new home of NFL Sunday Ticket. Get $100 off and catch our lowest full season price of the year on YouTube and YouTube TV.
Yeah, Future Tracker here. Temperatures getting back in the low to mid 50s this afternoon. Sunshine slowly getting covered up by the clouds, and that chance for an isolated shower later this afternoon, especially on into this evening and into tonight. Now, as temperatures slide back down, there's a chance of some snowflakes mix in overnight into first thing tomorrow morning. You can plainly see on Future Tracker how spotty these are going to be. There are going to be parts of the area that don't see a whole lot of rain or snow at all as we get into tonight. So very isolated to scattered showers into tomorrow morning, and that small threat will stick around at least into the start of your Wednesday. By the time we go into the afternoon, the dry air starts mixing in. In fact, clouds will start breaking up, and as they clear out into tomorrow night, that's when it's going to get cold again. Areas of frost and a freeze likely as we go into Thursday morning, so another time of covering over any plants or flowers you're concerned about. And then we break into some nice sunshine on Thursday. Thursday looks like a nice day, but the clouds will build in late and into Thursday night. Friday, not so nice. Showers back in the forecast. 53 this afternoon. Scattered showers developing, especially late this afternoon into the evening. That risk of a shower will stay with us tonight. Small chance of a snowflake, temperature dropping in the mid to upper 30s. Tomorrow's high, middle 50s, and becoming mostly sunny. That small risk of an isolated shower only through the first half of the day. On Thursday, after a cold, frosty start, mostly to partly sunny skies. Rain showers expected to be scattered about on Friday. The chance will decrease into the start of the weekend, but heavier rain tries to move in on Sunday. And then early next week, right back to the cooler temperatures and unsettled with the chance of showers Monday and Tuesday.
Through the night, the clouds continuing to thin out for us. As skies clear, that'll aid those temperatures in dropping, and we set ourselves up for a sunny start to the day tomorrow before this disturbance that's off to the west arrives, something that's going to be slow to get here. As we get into the second half of the day tomorrow, we're going to start watching for a few showers. So we start things off in the morning cold and frosty. Again, if you have sensitive plants outdoors, move those in. If you can't do that, cover them before bed, or you may run into some problems. It's not the only night you're going to need to do that. As we go into the daylight hours, those temperatures climb fast. We're around 50 degrees by noon. Afternoon highs are about mid-50s for tomorrow. And notice the showers creeping onto the map by about 4 o'clock. We'll start clouding up. The later we get into the afternoon, the better the likelihood of seeing more raindrops across the valley, scattered showers around through the evening, and even the early part of tomorrow night. As we come closer to sunrise on our Wednesday, I think temperatures may be a little bit warmer than where they're going to be for tomorrow morning. Still, though, we're close to that frost level in some spots. Clouds may help us out with that, though, as we start things off a little cloudier Wednesday. As we go through the day, the clouds are going to thin out, and we become partly sunny for the second half of it, with temperatures trying to jump back into the 50s. Now, long-range future tracker Thursday is looking like our nicest day of the week. We'll have high pressure around. It brings us a lot of sunshine. Our temperatures looking the warmest there. By Thursday night, this next storm system starts approaching from the south, and it clouds us back up into our Friday. We'll see rain back in the forecast, something that we'll be dealing with into the weekend and even early next week. So 30 is our low. The shower threat ending, the clouds breaking. As we start the day tomorrow, you can plan for a pretty cold start with temps around 30 and lots of sunshine as the sun rises. We keep that sun through early afternoon. Mid-afternoon, we're going to start clouding up, and we look for those showers developing. 53 degrees, though, for your high temperature. And then for Wednesday, we'll still be at about low to mid-50s, and there still could be a leftover raindrop in the morning. It'll be cold enough that it could mix with a snowflake or a couple of ice pellets. Thursday, that's the day to take advantage of the nice weather. Mostly sunny, around 60. Do the yard work then if you can, because by Friday we cloud up and we have showers coming back into the area with highs are back around 50 degrees. We do briefly spike those temps Saturday, but then Sunday we're back down around 50. And next Monday, we're again looking at high temperatures in the 40s.
That's a pretty tight spot.
Watch the